You can push a boat back into the water by using any vehicle in this manner. You can jump out of a moving boat without taking any damage. You deal more damage to your opponent if you jump and punch compared to a normal punch. Always check the area around the airdrop to know whether it is already looted or not. Players usually drop their guns, low-level helmets, or vests and exchange it from those present inside the airdrop. Always keep an eye on the shadows. You'll get to know if an enemy is hiding and waiting for you. Never move while shooting a flare gun. The flare falls on the ground and you won't get the super airdrop. The pan is a very useful melee weapon. It is bulletproof and can save you from shots coming from behind. Holding a pan in your hand while running towards an enemy can help you deflect some bullets. In situations when you don't have a frag grenade, throw a smoke grenade to confuse your enemy and make him move from his hidden position. This is possible because all the grenades make the same sound when thrown at someone. In order to take cover while hiding behind a vehicle, burst the tires using your fist to avoid bullet shots from below the vehicle. Using an AR to do the same would result in disclosing our location to the enemies. You can save yourself from a grenade by not being in the line of sight of the grenade. This works even with a small tree. You can use SMGs and pistols while riding behind a motorcycle. Assault rifles can only be used if you're seated in the sidecar of this motorcycle. Wearing a vest gives you an additional bag space of 50. You can heal yourself underwater in this manner. Drown a vehicle, press the exit button, and then press the drive button. The healing tab now appears on your screen. Every time you get knocked out, your health decreases at a faster rate than the previous time. Here's a comparison of the speeds. The night mode in PUBG appears roughly after 10 minutes and lasts for around 8 minutes. Always keep your shorter size weapons on the top and longer size weapons on the bottom. Weapons on the top slot are pulled above your shoulders. Enemies can easily spot you while you're switching the weapons. Weapons on the bottom slot are pulled below your shoulders. You can check what game mode your friends are playing by clicking on the Friends tab and then selecting Game Friends. The red zone is completely random and can appear anywhere on the map. It lasts for roughly 1 minute 15 seconds. There is a grace period of almost 45 seconds to hide yourself or run away from it. After the grace period ends, bombs fall randomly for the next 30 seconds. The best way to win the final circle is to keep both of your health bars full, and then keep applying the health kit as long as you can. Here's a fun tip. You can shoot a flare gun towards your teammate while you're prone. This makes them fly along with it for some distance. Here's a bonus tip.
Subscribe to Clash Universe for more such videos. Let's keep a like aim of 10,000. Hope you guys do it.